Very good morning, students. So today I'll take your science revision test of chapter 5, that is soil. In this chapter, before starting the test, let's discuss what we have studied in this chapter. So we have covered 4 topics in this chapter, that is soil, soil profile, soil erosion and soil conservation. Let's have a quick review of these 4 topics before starting the test. What is the soil and how it is formed? Soil is the topmost layer of the earth and it is formed by the process of weathering. What is called weathering? Weathering is when the big rocks broken into smaller pieces till the powder is formed due to the effect of sunlight, air, water. So this process is called weathering. Now come to the second topic of this chapter, that is soil profile. Soil profile, basically what it is the 3 layers of the soil. The topmost layer is called topsoil. The second layer of the soil is called subsoil and the third layer is called bedrock. So basically there are 3 layers are found in the soil. The topsoil is the most fertile layer and as we came down to subsoil it becomes less fertile, and when we go to the bedrock it's least fertile compared to the 2 other layers, that is topsoil and the subsoil. So this is the soil profile which we have studied in this chapter. Now comes soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Basically the wearing or carrying away of the topsoil by the action of wind, water, running water, a strong wind is called soil erosion. And we can conserve the soil, which we study in the next topic, that is soil conservation. So we can conserve the soil by following so many steps. What is soil conservation? When we protect the soil from soil erosion, it is called soil conservation. And soil conservation can be done by following so many steps, like by doing afforestation. Afforestation means planting more number of trees. By building embankments near the river. Embankments are the walls which protect the flood water to come near the field which are near the river side. Protection by avoiding the overgrazing of animal on the same land, because animals, if they are allowed to graze again and again, what will happen? The land become infertile. So these are the various steps which we follow to conserve our soil. I hope I have explained or I have given you a short review of this chapter. Now you can recall all the things which I have explained you while teaching this chapter. Just do the test properly. Do all the questions. All the questions are compulsory. You have to attempt all the questions. And how you have to do this I have explained you while discussing the question paper. So students, here this is your science revision test paper. In this test paper, I have given 3 set of questions. In A, tick the correct answer, then match the column and then fill in the blanks. Let's discuss the question paper first. The wearing of or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called. Wearing or carrying away of soil, you all have studied about this topic, what we call the wearing or carrying away of soil. You have to name it. Here 4 options are given. You have to take the correct one. Now, soil is mostly conserved by. Among these 4 options which is given in this question, you have to select one through which the soil is conserved. Meaning of conserved is protection. Now third is, this may lead to soil erosion. So you have to tell among the 4 options what lead to soil erosion, whether it is a terrace farming, growing of crops, afforestation or deforestation. Now in match the column, that is the exercise B. Again what you have to do, you have to write both the columns and mention the correct option in front of each one. Now first is loss of soil, cutting down trees, protection of soil, and planting more trees. So these are the 4 options, and you have to match with these 4 options like soil conservation, afforestation, soil erosion, and deforestation. Now comes to the exercise C, that is filling the blanks. Topsoil is the most dash layer. I haven't given any option to fill over here. In the same way, filling the blanks will come in your exam also without any option. So you have to study it carefully so that you can easily fill it there. Now, dash of trees hold the soil together. Which part of the tree hold the soil together? Now, the 3 layers of the soil are topsoil, then dash, and then bedrock. Now, in 4th one, protection of soil against soil erosion is called. What we call the protection of soil process. To protect the soil, the process which is carrying on to protect the soil, what we call that process. So I hope the question paper is clear to you all. You have to attempt all the questions, and in filling the blanks, match the column and tick the correct option. You have to write the full sentence. In tick the correct option, after writing the full sentence, you have to write only correct option. No need to write all the 4 options. But in match the column, you have to write both the columns, and in filling the blanks also, you have to write the full sentence. You have 30 minutes after, or you can say till 9:30, you have to submit your answer sheet. So all the best.